Do you ever hear that voice in your head telling you if you are going to succeed or not, if you are enough or not, if you are smart enough, talented enough or not, if you are ready or not yet? Well, in this video, you will understand where that voice comes from and how to deal with it. Hello and welcome back to my English struggles. This is day 22 of my 30 days English speaking challenge. Today, I'm talking about this little voice inside everyone's head that has a great impact in our lives because it dictates every action we have to take, the way we think, and the way we face challenges. Sometimes it can lead us to glory when we have mastery over it, but most of the time, it doesn't lead us anywhere due to its tendency to discourage us from doing, from taking action. It usually talks the loudest when you are trying to improve yourself and are facing challenges. When you want to speak English, for instance, it tells you, don't speak, they will judge your accent. When you want to start something new, it says, why bother? You will fail anyway. And when you finally start believing in yourself, that voice whispers, who do you think you are? Do you think you are better than the others? If it was that easy, everyone would have already done it. So why you think you can do it? And of course, if you don't have a strong mind, you already know what's going to happen. I'm not going to tell you what's going to happen. You already know. I'm not telling you this as a teacher, but as someone who hears that voice too. Now listen carefully because this part changes everything. That voice isn't you. It comes from your past. It's a mix of what your parents told you, what society expected from you, the criticism you received at school from educators and classmates, the moments you were compared to others who were always better than you, who always did better than you, and the times you failed and never healed from your failure. Sometimes your own friends that you trusted laughed at you and your dreams. And with time, you started to repeat those messages to yourself, consciously or unconsciously, until you believed they were your own thoughts. But they are not. They are just old recordings in your head, an echo of everything that hurts you. Actually, this voice doesn't shout to hurt you. It whispers to protect you from pain, from shame and failure. But truth is, in trying to protect you, it stops you from growing, learning, living fully. It stops you from taking action, from creating, from trying, from speaking in a language you are learning, from becoming the person you know you could be. This voice keeps you small because it is afraid of the person you could become. Here's how you deal with it, step by step, as I promised in the beginning. The first thing you will need to do is to name the voice. Give it a name so you can separate it from you. For example, you can name it the doubter, the critic, the fear, or something else, as long as it allows you to kind of distinguish it from you. That's the first thing you need to do. Secondly, you need to question it. When it speaks, don't obey it immediately. Ask yourself, is this voice telling the truth or is it just fear talking? When you question it, the voice loses its power. The third thing you will need to do is to replace the initial script. You don't have to fight the voice directly. Instead, speak a new sentence after it. For instance, when it says, you will fail, you can answer, maybe, but I'm still trying and I'm getting better. Another example is when it tells you, don't speak English, they will judge you, they will mock you because your accent isn't good, because your pronunciation is bad. To that, you can respond, I speak because I want to grow, not to impress. By following the three steps, little by little, the voice becomes quieter and your confidence becomes louder. Because confidence doesn't start by shouting, I'm strong. It starts when you stop believing the lie that you are weak. Now, listen, that voice inside your head might not disappear completely. And I don't think it has to disappear, as it's henceforth part of you and it can become really, really useful and helpful for you. You know, you will not always have people around you to encourage you, to cheer you up. People you trust are going to betray you. In those moments, you will need that voice in your head to kind of replace them and do their job. That's why you need to learn to control it instead of letting it control you. You are not weak for hearing that voice. You are strong for fighting against it. And if no one ever told you this, let me say clearly, there is nothing wrong with you. You are not behind. You are not broken. You are becoming. This is what I had for you today. If this message touched you, comment below. What does the voice in your head usually tells you? Let's talk about it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 23. Keep speaking, keep fighting, and keep becoming the person that voice is afraid of. Cheers.